berasap. Lampunya masih agak basah sih. Do you get the javu? Enggak ya, aku nggak bangun tidur ya. Emang kayak bangun tidur. Sehat kak. Mau di kos aja. Nge-live. Aku di kos sendirian guys. Habis mandi kah? Iya. Emang kelihatan bu kalau belum mandi atau udah mandi? Belum pulang sendirian. Sebenarnya tuh kalau nggak catokan tuh ya, sebenarnya kayak nggak mandi sih aku rasanya. Mungkin kayak rambutnya nggak rapi ya jadinya, kayak kelihatan nggak mandi. Kalau catokan jadi bagus. Tuh suara motornya Viken. Viken tuh bro. Viken itu bro. Nih 1, 2, 3.
Udah mandi?
Udah lah.
Kok masih pakai baju itu?
Emang gak boleh. Katanya aku kalau pakai ini lucu. Katanya Kenha.
Katanya aku yang ngomong nggak sih?
Kenha yang ngomong.
Aku capek. Baring dulu ya.
Ya, gimana skripsiannya?
Lumayan lah.
Kok lumayan? Arti kata lumayan tuh apa?
Temenku tadi udah benerin. Walaupun aku nggak gini tapi tadi ada tim.
Sampai bab berapa berarti sekarang? Sampai bab berapa?
Masih uang. Jadi tadi itu palingin cuma nge-revise kata-kata tadi. Ben dulu ya. Agak pusing aku. Jadi aku rasanya istirahat dikit. Nah sambil ngedit tadi. Tadi aku udah nge-live juga.
Iya.
30 menitan.
Nggak tahu aku.
Baring dulu. Aduh. Hati-hati woi. Sumpah. Silakan aku soalnya. Bentar.
Kamu mesti lupa beli tisu kan?
Emang kamu tadi minta beli tisu?
Kan aku semalam minta beli tisu.
Gak ada. Kamu bukan tadi malam. Sebelum aku pergi kamu gak ngomong apa-apa.
Lah kan kamu tahu tisunya habis.
Iya.
Dan kenapa nggak beli?
Ya kamu gak pesen tadi.
Tuh. Tuh masa listriknya misalnya mati, terus aku harus listriknya mati. Dia tahu listriknya misalnya mati. Aku harus bilang dulu listriknya mati.
Tapi kan itu aku selalu pas dari luar terus baru balik.
Disuruh download Alpha GIF. Buat kita yang males.
Disuruh apa dulu?
Alpha GIF.
Apa tuh Alpha GIF?
Itu loh, kita bisa beli online. Bolong.
Iya sih wajar dalam sering dipakai kan.
Aku nggak pengen bakso.
Jadi pengen bakso deh.
Bukan guys, jangan ngomong bakso. Jadi ini yang kepingin bakso.
You see before you a vast array of torture instruments. Anything on the table, pique your interest.
Aku boleh nggak ganti baju?
Boleh.
Tapi nanti jadi lucu nggak? Kalau aku pakai baju ini.
Coba-coba. Tapi nggak jadi lucu lah.
And here is the White House where... God, I'm drunk again. Avert your eyes, kids. Hey, kids! Everything they teach you at school is a lie. The deep state is controlled by my shithead father. Chemtrail trapped you in the 80s.
Habis cara buat bibir kering itu gimana? Biar nggak kering banget. Pertama-tama kalian harus punya bro.
Wait, are those Toblerones?
Hey Ray, so are you good? I know it's your first day back since your dad took over and all.
Of course I'm okay. What would make you think that I'm not okay?
Well, you did get a tramp stamp that says "Mommy like you drinky" on it.
Whoa, when did I get that? Life is just dreams turning to entropy, you little shits!
She doesn't mean that, children.
I do mean it! Dreams die! Santa is fake! But student dad is real! You had to learn sometime, Brayden. Listen, Brett, my dad is an amoral sociopath. Having him in charge will literally destroy the world.
Yeah, he's installed a lot of security cameras in the women's bathrooms.
Brad Ridley is a dick!
Shit talking detected.
This is nauseating, and for breakfast, I had something called a Bud Light Limerita.
The refreshing Bud Light Mist with a tropical lime twist.
Yeah. We have to do something.
Don't worry. I mean, Rand can't make things that different.
Listen up, peons. Everything's gonna be different around here. I've carefully reviewed this year's agenda from the robes and...
Mama
Why are we
dan
taking orders from mysterious rogue assholes anyway? We don't even know who they are. From now on, we do what I say. Cognito's gonna reclaim its glory days.
Itu namanya bapak-bapak.
Incognito's gonna claim its ex-wife and its daughter and its original beautiful hairline.
Ya kan, bapak-bapak tuh kalau tiduran kayak gitu.
Hey, it's a war room, you two.
Oh my god, this kimono though.
Oh, I can't see that.
Don't bark because then I'm in the bar.
I guess we'll let that hold it, boy. Vomiting.
Ooh.
Jesus
Is that Reagan? I have never seen someone mistreat their body like this. And I'm from Atlanta. We deep
Kok pucat bikinnya?
You guys know that I can hear you.
Tahu. Kamu tadi seharian ngerjain skripsi?
Greetings, employees.
Enggak.
Now that JR is finally
Enggak juga sih, aku ngedit video tadi ada.
the Ridley regime can
Terus
officially
ngerjain
begin. First up,
tugas.
my enemies list.
Mau ngerjain tugas.
It's long.
Kelompok.
Not so fast.
Dia nonton kartun sukanya.
Really gonna sit here and take orders from my dad? In a week he's gonna have
I give my.
order wrong.
Iya, volumenya besar banget kan ini.
What's at stake?
Hey, the Taco Bell thing is not a bad idea. Intern 3, write that down. Intern 4, assassinate intern 3, write it down wrong.
I've been up all night plotting mutiny, but I can't do it alone. So who's with me?
Did you guys see they replaced all the water coolers with vodka? Best day ever! Oh my god, virus right now? Oh, this must be so embarrassing!
Tap layar guys.
Okay, so she just realized that no one supports her.
Sorry, Ray.
Bukan Barbie.
One evil white guy in charge versus another evil white guy. Not that different.
Somebody else, but it's not JR got LASIK.
But
Did you really think you could launch a coup against me, sweetie? That's adorable. You're just like your old man.
I am nothing like you.
Halo.
So this is what rock bottom looks like. More tropical.
Halo.
Give my daughter a timeout.
Halo.
Get her head straight. Oh, and nothing higher than a 3.
Reagan, wait.
Parang pusing guys.
Benedict Arnold. This situation scares the crap out of me, man.
Well, Red is here to care of
Dia kalau pulang kuliah atau pulang dari luar tuh,
Anonymous.
aku baring dulu ya, aku capek gitu.
Secret society employees coping with the stress of our jobs. You can't change Rand being in charge, but maybe with some help you could change your outlook.
How about you keep tasing me instead?
Kayak bapak-bapak.
To a non. I think I see some new faces. Let's switch off those Anana collars. This is a safe space. Let's go around the circle and share why we're here.
Hey everyone, I'm Sasquatch.
Hi, Sasquatch.
I feel like no one even cares who I am anymore. I saw this kid in the woods the other day, and he goes, "Hey mom,
Itu beneran muka aku doang itu.
he's not."
Enggak, ini ada muka aku loh, tuh.
Nggak ada.
Ada. Dah tidurlah. Tapi ini udah sore nggak boleh tidur. Dia tuh hobi apa? Tidur sore. Tidur sore nggak baik kan guys?
Iya, tapi tidur jam 2 dulu tidak boleh.
Siapa yang tidur jam 2? Aku udah bangun.
I'm a raging alcoholic and I think I'm at the wrong place.
Sok tahu dia, aku bangun tuh jam 11.
Kan aku bilang tidur jam 2 pagi.
Well,
Oh.
my dad stole my big promotion. He arrested me.
Semalam aku tidur.
I just tried to stage a coup.
Kita tidur. Kamu tidur jam berapa?
Fucking back.
Semalam kamu tidur jam berapa berarti?
Jam 1 lebih.
Nah, aku tidur jam 3. Aku tidur jam 3, terus kebangun jam 5. Terus itu baru bisa tidur lagi jam
That's the daughter of Rand Ridley, head of Cognito Inc.
jam 7.
Yeah, this nepotism
Jam 7 terus aku baru tidur, dia bangun
for her dream job.
jam 8.
Dick bag. Who the
Habis itu aku bangun lagi.
Supposed to be anonymous.
Habis itu udah kan jam
Naughty for 10 years.
9 aku tidur lagi. Bangun jam 11.
Oh God, here we go.
You think having a few memories deleted is hard? Try being the guy who deletes those memories.
Yang gini, Lik.
The only one who has to live with them.
Wow.
Mau.
To work in the Illuminati. Who let this
Aku pengen badanku dibungkus sama
And
semua.
I thought you had to be smart to
Maksud
deep state.
asshole? I'm the smartest person in this room.
Now there's a talking pillow.
Diam terus nonton kartun.
Fluffy and relaxing. I know your type. You say you got into this job to save the world, but all you care about is revenge. If you really wanted to save the world, you'd do whatever it takes.
maksud
You know what? You're right. Looks like you sad sacks did motivate me after all. To take down my father on my own.
Fine. I'm sorry for bringing a gun to therapy. Again.
Let's Let's talk this week's mission. Bohemian Grove.
Yes! Outdoor Festival of the Year!
It's like Burning Man, but they actually burn men. Every year, it brings together the 6 societies that secretly rule the world. The Reptoids, the Atlanteans, the Catholic Church, the Juggalos, for some reason, us, and of course our arch rivals, the Illuminati.
Guys, jangan lupa like sama komen video aku yang terbaru. Ini aku masakin orang pundung. Kok kamu gak beli piscoknya?
Kamu nggak ada pesen piscok ya?
He's always making the Illuminati fuck with God, like the time they toilet papered our office.
Those artsy barbarian bastards!
Every year, he challenges
Emang
us.
kamu ada pesen piscok?
A competition for dominance and resolution. Literally has to kiss the other guy's ring. JR always.
Kita aja janji ada merekam siang, kamu aja nggak bangun kok tadi.
Lah kamu aja nggak pulang? Kan aku mikirnya kamu skripsian.
So many balls!
Kamu masih tidur ya?
My body.
Enggak.
Speed,
Waktu aku berangkat kamu masih tidur.
trick, 110.
Kan pas kamu berangkat jam 9 emang aku itu baru tidur.
I'll ruin Rand on my own.
Hah?
That's fun. What is
Kamu tidur jam 3 apa jam 9?
Well, we can control Rand's nanobots.
Maksudnya?
Kan kamu kan bilang baru tidur jam 9.
9 pagi. Kan aku bangun tidur tuh dia tuh nggak suka dengerin orang ngomong.
I'm gonna sneak into Bohemian Grove and make sure Rand loses the power struggle. When everyone sees how pathetic he is, he'll be fighting. And the world will be better for him.
So do you have a plus one? Or
No way.
just checking.
No turn coming.
The annual power struggle will begin shortly. And now, please welcome the Sixth Society. They're a little wet, they're a little wild. It's the Atlanteans! They wear sandals and create scandals. It's the Catholic Church.
Mamma mia, bocca di becco.
Here comes the toast of the undercrust. It's the Reptoids, honey. And these jokers are wild. It's the Juggalos.
Atlantic is all together one.
Terus tanya,
We secretly control
nggak mau.
finance. And next we have the losers from last year's power games. The stuff
Oh, bosan di dalam kamar enggak?
they even showed up.
Apa?
Bosan nggak di kamar terus? Kalau kamu?
That's right, bitches.
Bosan.
Friendly as back and randier than ever.
Kalau aku nggak.
Motherfuckers.
Kalau kamu bosan sama kalau di kos doang atau bosan sama orang yang di kosnya?
And finally, we saved the best for last.
Semuanya.
We all sing, all know it, all party.
I love you, Jay-Z. Illuminati.
Goodbye.
Bocil.
That's Dietrich.
Pasti hatinya langsung.
Presents a reheated leftovers of Brad Ridley. I thought they find you for
Enggak tuh.
this.
Dream on, Dietrich. Cognito is more powerful than ever. We control the president, big, and I have a button that can move the moon.
You. But you're why do you know? It's Illuminati's name. We make it rain, bitch.
Cognito controls the weather. We literally
Nggak jadi. Males banget nih orang.
control.
I tell you what, if you can beat me in this year's power struggle, it's grab it for the whole shadow photo. You suck so hard. Oh shit, are you Poland? Because that German guy straight up owned you.
Oh,
Kok mau tau aku doang?
hide me. Gigi,
Lucu kayak lontong.
your tired face from your application selfie. You know about filters, right?
She quite work at the Illuminati. Only one or two.
100 times.
Oh, sulap.
Yes, we'll be in the room where it happens.
Oh, wow. Magic. Gimana kalau magic?
That guy
Oh, ceritanya ini. Now you see me.
knows on StubHub to watch him get shot.
Oh, ya.
Just go have fun. I think I saw Jimmy Carter scoop Viagra.
Aku tahu kamu jadi pelanjutnya itu kan, Pak Tarno. Jadi apa?
People's problems are boring. Villains are for liberals and baseball movies. Let's go party, Mushroom Man. Hell yeah. Time to join them. Fuck this shit.
Udah. Udah.
We know you naughty aristocrats love to destroy the Earth's resources, so get ready for our first event, the Lumberjack! Oh, I see you, Chair Bolsonaro. Let the games begin!
Hey, Jason, how about
I can drift to your demise.
may the best man win? All right.
Okay, Dad, the glove is on and the gloves are off.
I can't watch. What the hell is even supposed to be happening?
Watch and see how it's done, asshole.
Well, that's the means again for keeping their gun ass on the outside.
It's just poor breeding.
Lucu kan guys, kayak lontong.
Happening to Clutch.
What's it? Impossible.
You son of a bitch.
And then I said, sure, I'll do the music for Moana, but I'm Moana.
Itu aku doang, Tis.
Oh enggak, Po. Ini aku kok tadi aku.
You bring so much joy to people. It makes me sick.
What can we do?
If only there was a way to
Kelihatan.
crippling self-doubt that I suffer.
Tuh, aku semua itu.
Here's what we do.
Tuh, kamu mending baca komen di
Aku
bawah.
sambil baca komen.
Ah, nggak ada.
Ya.
Blood? What the hell do I have to sacrifice to get some service around here? I thought this was the VIP section.
Yes, this way England's people.
I'm Dermot Baldwin. I didn't know I existed either. Because we're ugly, I'm a decorative war hero. My face is like purple. I don't stand for this harassment, pal. Now look away, all sexy like that.
Rambutku berantakan.
Right here, strangers. Perfect place to test film. Make with no one watching. Yep, that's right. I'm the fastest reptoid. Fuck me.
You think you're doing here? You're sabotaging sabotage.
Aduh.
You tell me.
Jack, the guy who looks like an 80s super villain.
Yeah.
No. Oh.
Besides, I could ask you the same thing.
Kamu cosplay aku.
No.
Emang kayak gitu aku.
You're pulling some pagan bullshit on me. You let him get away, has been.
Ah. Malas.
Males tapi dari tadi nunjukin muka gue.
This is the second time I've been tased today.
Judging by your personality, that sounds about right.
Filternya bagus. Hilangin filternya.
Grove jail.
Alright, just go stick together.
Alex Jones?
I got a plan to get us out of here, but I need $25,000 to invest in gas testosterone supplement that will get me. Now stay with me.
Terlalu dekat.
Stuck here with the school shooting deniers who looks like an orangutan fucked a fire hydrant because one of us couldn't keep our cool.
Dah.
Kumis Oom.
That's right, buddy. You don't owe a woman a goddamn thing. Actually, child support.
Look, we gotta get out of here before he takes
Jangan nanti kalau aku matiin TV-nya dia marah.
I think it looks good. He thinks it looks good. Truth? Temporary truth. It's used to make a subliminal message. Hey, buddy, do you have a tape recorder?
Of course I do. I'm the only person left who will listen to me.
Cover your ears, okay? What the
Nice work. Give it here. Hypnotism this.
Oh, the Atlanteans are disqualified for the illegal use of sonar.
Ini apa judulnya? Filmnya?
Inside Job.
Inside Job.
I still have time to set.
Jangan itu. Anak kecil nggak boleh nonton ya. Ini tontonan.
Kartun.
Pokoknya bukan untuk bocil-bocil ini filmnya.
You want to taste yourself?
Ya om, udah cuci kaki belum? Belum kan?
Udah.
Belum.
Udah.
Belum. Aku
Udah.
tahu.
Udah.
Orang kamu tadi datang langsung ke kasur kok. Sana.
Udah. Ya. Udah tadi. Ya udah nih aku cuci lagi.
Memang belum kok. Kalian sadarkan
Udah.
guys.
Udah tadi.
Tuh dia baru kamar mandi sekarang.
Udah. Udah.
Kalau TV-nya aku matiin, kamu gimana?
Apa?
TV-nya?
Tidur. Kenapa?
Stuck in the back because of our weird faces. Don't want to understand our pain. Yo, bitches, the posse feels your pain. They always sit us in the back.
Probably because you're literal fucking clowns.
Check them here, my ninja. Society's plowing on you. You're feeling disrespected, treated like a joke.
Our mission do feel suspiciously like these stories.
Here's our literature.
Please, we don't need the pity of some fucking rat.
Kayaknya hari ini nggak nge-gym guys. Iya kan?
Tapi kalau kamu mau gym boleh.
Kamu hujan?
Enggak hujan kok. Pas aku pulang dari udah cerah. Enggak ada hujan.
I can't believe we knocked out the blow. I can't believe we sprayed one.
Hit him with idiots! Shit!
Quick, follow me into that owl's ass.
Buat bikin marah bisa aku baca ya. Itu rencananya dari tadi. Daripada aku marah aku langsung tidur.
So the day I was supposed to get my Illuminati 10-year pin, they caught me trying to drink an entire.
Ya udah, sana.
In college, I was a conspiracy theorist. I believed that behind the chaos, there must be some secret group of geniuses that could save the world.
Viken nggak pernah marah. Viken nggak pernah marah. Dia tuh sering marah. Sama aku sering marah.
I did just want revenge. You came up with a 30-point.
Even your vengeance is type A.
Yeah.
God, why do smart people always make dumb mistakes?
Because the smarter you are, the better you are at rationalizing stupid decisions. That's why the smartest people end up working.
Bisa nggak nih?
Well, maybe not everything. It's a stupid decision.
Bisa emang kamu.
Like,
Kepalanya. Ini
Oh, enemies to lovers, that's never been done before.
Bisa.
cepat.
I really want to, though.
very much so.
Telinganya. Bisa lah guys nih.
Like this.
Wow, enemies to lovers, that's never.
College, I was a conspiracy theorist. I believed that behind the chaos there must be some secret group of geniuses that could save the world. Look at these idiots.
Hafiz, nenek aku ngefans. Halo nek. Sehat-sehat nek.
You're right about me, you know. I did just want revenge. You came up with a 30-point plan.
Even your vengeance is type A.
Yeah.
Ini kalau dari samping dia kayak bebek.
Because the smarter you are, the better you are at rationalizing stupid decisions.
Ya kan? Kayak bebek.
Well, maybe not everything is a stupid decision.
Like what?
Like,
Oh, enemies to lovers, that's never been done before.
Daripada dicuekin mending nge-live sendiri guys.
Bocil.
Halo bocil.
And now, the final round, the ancient noble competition known as the Pissing Contest.
Watch me be number one at number one.
the only thing you'll be pissing away is your reputation. Watch this.
Okay.
I didn't mean
Not less.
It's a draw! A year's on you ended in one beautiful gesture of intimacy. Now this is finally a party!
Rule of day, you humiliated the Illuminati, reaching all.
see my ass, Clutch. Cognito will bury you for this like we buried Jimmy Hoffa.
Yo,
Halo.
Nito isn't just some bullshit. These guys are wrestle talent.
Hey, listen up, you dicks. Yo, ready for this?
Oh, guys, please. Whatever this is, don't do it.
It's time to rhyme. It's a rhyming time. Your treatment of my friends is a crime. I'm red-handed,
Tuh lampu kamar mandi nggak dimatiin.
respectful, and often appropriate way.
Bagi selimut. Gantian kamu yang pegang.
Kau masih capek kan megangnya?
Iya.
Nih aku kasih sandaran di sini aja. Pergerakan kayak gini itu jadi sandaran.
Oh, God, life is overrated. What happened to people with 20% fiance is overrated.
Somebody get that turtle punch open.
I am bringing vanity to the point of inevitable destruction.
Aspun.
I'm sorry, TG. I am pretty much For fuck's sake, I wrote the intro to a Garfield. You can Google it. I'll give you
Yes, I am throwing away my shot.
Really? You gave up your dream job?
I already have a job where I am the coolest in comparison.
Jogja hujan nggak banget. Sakit kayak itu Viken. Kamu sakit po?
Enggak, aku capek, weh.
Capek.
Something's wrong with me.
Something is wrong with us.
Ada yang tanya, kamu ada rencana potong kumis kah?
Ada sih,
Motong semuanya?
kayaknya. Pas 200.000 follower aku. Aku bersihin ini.
Jangan gitu aja.
Oh shit!
Someone to get on fire!
This whole thing is going tits out. We found our fan. Life is a struggle, so now I'm a juggler. Whoop whoop!
Bapak,
Anti-restricted society.
Bapak,
Nation.
Kenapa guys?
Bapak.
Tuh.
Apa? Bapak.
Tim mana nih, cukur nggak? Tergantung.
Aku tim cukur tengah. Jangan lupa mampir di akun aku guys. Tolong di like postingan terbaru aku. Yang Viken Pundung minta piscok. Sama boleh di komen, di repost juga boleh.
Well, I should probably get back to mine.
Yeah, and I should probably get back to mine.
Yeah.
Jangan dicukur ya kan, bagus gitu. Bagus ada kumisnya.
Still, it's gonna be pretty stressful hiding this whole thing.
We're probably gonna need a lot of therapy.
See you at the next meeting.
I'll be there.
Sebelum ke Pontianak, kita enaknya kemana ya? Apa di Jogja aja?
Jogja aja.
Gak pengen main dulu kemana gitu.
Hey, who the hell are you? Who the hell am I? I'm J.R. fucking Shineball. Who the hell are you? Chewbacca? God damn it.
Ke pantai kah? Atau kita mau
Atau mau apa?
Believe me, let's take a silent moment. God damn it, there
Dah.
I think therapy is definitely working. You know what? I think I need some more therapy.
ke Bali? Ke Bali.
Share with the group.
Yeah, I was just looking for my Tic Tacs, which we love Tic Tacs to each other.
Aku dicuekin guys.
Kenapa? Kamu nggak ngomong apa-apa nggak sih? Apa?
Ke Bali.
Ke Bali.
Tuh dia tuh nggak mau. Dia tuh maunya yang ke kota-kota gitu. Maunya kayak ke New York City, ke Korea.
Nggak ada uang, woi. Emang kamu ke Bali ada uang?
Insya Allah ada.
I don't have it. Okay.
I said rose quartz. Grant, fix away that lamp. Hey here, goddammit.
What's going on? I have a potpourri of the documentary.
Tomiko said she was coming by today with some big news. Look at this text. Look at the dots.
Coba nanti suruh ke Jakarta pasti ada uangnya. Tapi kalau ke Bali nggak ada uangnya. Soalnya dia nggak suka ke pantai, nggak suka ke gunung, nggak suka ke tempat alam kayak gitu-gitu, nggak suka.
We're about to walk through that door and say,
Who wants to meet my new boyfriend?
Dia kalau ke Thailand dia usahain, soalnya dia kepingin ke Thailand. Tapi kalau ke Bali dia nggak pingin. Jadi dia ngomongnya nggak ada uang.
Well, you were right about her finding the one. Like from the Matrix, the one.
Seru.
Ya di Bali tuh sama aja, kok sama kayak ke Jakarta, tapi emang dianya nggak mau ke Bali, jadi ngomongnya nggak ada uang. Aku yang nggak ada uang.
Your mom is having an excellent adventure with
Tapi kok ke Jakarta?
You just got married to yourself, and now you're dating.
Allah.
Ke Jakarta mau bisa pakai kereta atau bisa pakai bis. Bis palingan cuma 100-an lebih. Kalau misalkan ke Bali berapa?
Naik bis 200-300.
Dari sini naik bis. Boleh sih kalau kayak gitu.
Gak mau, akunya mual, kelamaan.
Bukannya udah.
Nanti capek di perjalanan, orang kamu aja perjalanan dikit aja. Gimis. Sok-sokan banget naik mobil aja mual, apalagi bis. Maka kalau naik sama dia harus naik kereta.
Naik
Kalau
bis
nggak
aku nggak mual
pesawat.
sih. Kalau mobil yang mual.
Mom, you can't date Richard Branson. You're just gonna get hurt. Mom, you can't date the entire cast of Cirque du Soleil. Who's going to get hurt? That guy is juggling fire. Actually, Mom, I've been opening myself up to new relationships lately, and I think that it's beautiful.
Aku kalau bis yang sleeper malah makin mual guys. Jadi emang harus yang duduk. Kamu pernah nggak naik bis sleeper?
Nggak pernah.
Bayangin kamu tidur tapi jalan. Pusing kan?
Ya.
Baring tuh loh posisinya.
Baring terus.
Agak miring dikit gini. Nah kayak kamu gini bisnya.
Enak lah.
Aku muntah guys 3 kali. Tapi kalau yang duduk malah nggak muntah. Soalnya kalau habis makan terus pakai yang bus sleeper tuh malah aku nggak tahu, karena makanannya sejajar kali ya sama mulut, jadinya perutnya tuh loh, lambung sama mulut sejajar, makanya makanannya keluar mual.
Last week, the doctor said your blood was 4% cigarette ash and 9% STDs. I am not sabotaging what's happening. You got replaced by a hot guy.
Kalau yang duduk pegel tapi aku nggak mual.
She's about to get laid, right?
Oh, yeah.
Good for all of us.
Okay, new mission. I'm gonna make a fucking movie too. I'm gonna show you that I'm a badass leading man.
Leading man? No offense, but you look like one of the fucking meth leaders.
True. My years of living awesomely have taken
Iya, naik kereta, kalau nggak naik pesawat, udah selesai.
I've already got the title. The Chronicles of Ray.
Sebenarnya di Jogja juga udah. Di Jogja aja yuk kita jalan-jalan.
Boleh.
Kayak nggak antusias gitu.
Iya.
He's an inspiration. He taught me that recycling is also for guys with abs.
So, Brett, use your natural douche instincts to track down Leo and get him on.
Literally bener-bener nunjukin aku terus. Mukamu.
Makanya biar ngomong, kalau coba ke aku mesti kamu nggak ngomong.
Ken kan maunya kan kamu ngomong apa gitu. Tadi mereka udah ku temenin.
Kayak Viken.
Nggak, mereka tuh- Mereka tuh mau ketemu kamu.
Viken.
Jangan nyebut nama aku terus.
Viken.
Kamu ini ngobrol sama mereka. Kan tadi aku udah ngobrol. Mereka nyari kamu. Kan maunya ngobrol sama kamu. Kamu baca nih komennya nih banyak loh.
Bis Vikennya kok lemes banget gitu ya, lagi sakit ya. Lah si bapak lagi manja ke adek itu tuh.
Is this? We about to kill a spider together? I want you to come to the premiere with us as my guest of honor. Wait, really? You always find some kind of fault with my boyfriends, but for once, you're supporting me, and I want to support you. I don't know what to say. Say you'll get me another Pinot Mimosa. On it. Grant is so
Blue Valentine tahu, dia tahu. Tapi Viken lebih suka Kiki daripada Nmix guys. Yang I do me right, yang I do my way. Yang itu.
What was that? I can't believe some kind of a vampire? Are vampires real? Am I spiraling? Is all of this allowed? Raven! Is everything alright? You look like you've seen a ghost.
Adiknya Ive. Tuh ada yang tahu Kiki, adiknya Ive.
Keanu, I just invited Reagan to be our guest at the premiere. She's so excited. She's sweating. Yeah, this is not gonna stop. I mean,
Apa? Ngelirik apa?
Aku agak pusing ya. Apa aku minum itu ya yang paradoks itu ya?
Ya udah terus tidur.
Nah, katanya aku nggak boleh tidur.
Ya udah kalau sakit gimana lagi?
Yang ada kafeinnya. Ya nggak sih? Botox.
random question, but is a normal person
celebrities to get blood transfusions and coffins.
I got a better question. Are you getting laid? 'Cause girl, you are some outfits that match that one. What? No. Why are you always trying to make me
Listen, my mom is in big trouble.
Mau aku ambilin po obatnya.
Nggak usah nanti.
But dark Hollywood shit is the Illuminati's turf. And those assholes won't let me near their headquarters.
Illuminati, huh?
Itulah ada chat HP-mu.
Track down Leo DiCaprio, lure him into Rand's movie, and become his best friend. Who's ready to party like Ed Hardy? Ooh. Excuse me, Giuseppe, does my boy Leo D still hang out here?
And not since he won his Oscar, but he left a bunch of garbage behind.
Those guys?
Tobey Maguire, David Blaine, Lucas Haas, Q-Tip, his old crew, aka the Pussy Posse.
The legendary pickup artist from the early aughts? I thought my older brother made them up.
Ajumi right, kanyang ajumi way.
What's up, home dog?
Komisifikan beneran ke Apis. Enggak, ini bisa dicopot nih lo guys.
Ya.
Yo, don't test me, Toby. I'll turn you back into a owl.
Well, I've been
Mana obatnya?
tricks up my sleeve too. Check this out. This is the life, huh? Just guys.
Dan cheese what you care, just starting all your matter. Still pink is not there. Get it a go. Oh, 이러게 돼. 거게야 돼. 써놨어요 나.
But if we hang out, I will be first. You gotta prove your posse material. Pussy posse party protocol.
His muscles, huge. His alcoholism, charming. He's ready to get back together if you can handle it. This summer, Brad Ridley stars in Ex-Husband, The Remarrying.
Yippee-ki-yay, mother of my child!
Hot? He's jiggling in the wind. Can we turn the fans down?
God damn it! This company managed to cover up Mr. Rogers' Vietnam sniper count. Can we cover up my fucking man boobs? Andre, I need that youth serum. Are you sure?
Ayah Viken sapa aku tuh. Ayah Viken. Oh dipanggil ayah sekarang. Ayah. Bapak. Jangan ditaruh sana. Sekalian iPadku. Terima kasih. Kamu kenapa?
Mau ganti baju. Nanti aja lah ganti bajunya.
Kok nggak sekarang?
Sekarang aja deh. This summer.
Nggak boleh. Lihat kan bisa di akunnya Viken tuh. Banyak kan dia. Just my ear sing, I'm screaming yeah. Angel, feel the breeze, not telling 목소리 I can tell myself that I do me right 그냥 I do my way I run in the air keep it in your soul
널 상상보다
Hers atau Kiki? Kok udah ganti baju sih?
Close under and whispering I do me, I do it my way.
Bapak
Suka sekali kamu sama mukaku ya.
Any younger, and neither is my scrotum.
If he dies, I get the honor. No fair!
Apa ini? Ego. Weekend as idol. No.
Check out that ass!
Hearts to Hearts bagus. I cannot focus on anything but you, baby. I cannot focus on anything but you. Donated how much love you, baby. I cannot focus on anything, on anyone but you. Rains okay, no, you're so amazing, 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 amazing. My subject, na. The look no to focus 그런다게로 produce 세상의 기나를 내 안에 있어요 I cannot focus on anything but you baby I cannot focus on anything but you You turned into my hammer Few baby I cannot focus on anything on anyone but you 사랑한 but few anything but you 넘어가나 do
Ricky, you gotta tell Tommy Cole the truth about Keanu Reeves before he drinks up the whole crazy straw.
I can't. If I tell her, then she's just gonna assume that I'm being old, unsupported Reagan, and it'll just drive them closer together. Mom is gonna have to find out somebody that she trusts.
God damn it, Brad Reeves! You punched the president to death! You better not be having hot sex right now!
It's you Produce 5 menit lagi selesai guys. Kita udah nge-live sejaman.
Well, our continuity is fucked!
Yeah, you seem like the kind of guy who cares about continuity.
It's the only thing that matters!
Before you Benjamin Button me, I was well on my way to smashing box office records and my wife. Now I just have a power to smash brightly colored blocks together. I won an Oscar!
Ow! But this ring is still a goddamn Boston beat!
Apa?
Coba lihat.
Gak mau. Sini. Halo guys.
Don't forget I have the nuclear codes. Furthermore,
Where the fuck is Brett with DiCaprio? Alright, Blade, to prove your Leo material, throw a game on those side points.
The look Nano to focus Kenang pada Produce
So sweet and hot, but like non-threatening like a cousin. It's still kind
Perbedaan mata kita.
Oh, what's that thing he's doing while he's waiting?
Apa emang?
Coba senyum.
I think he's listening.
Sorcery!
Olay, what's your secret? Well, first off, one helpful tip is to think of a woman as a person. Did he just say
I find
that?
the flaw.
Everything
Tuh matanya Vikan tuh coklat. Kalau aku hitam.
Mana sih?
identity.
we even still call ourselves?
Lihat kesini.
Sure can. With one of these.
Senyum.
Oh, jealous.
Beda po.
Getting on Etsy. How about we go show off our newfound wisdom to Leo, huh? Sorry, mate. Then we'll pick this.
Tuh, kalau aku hitam, bikin coklat.
Hah? Iya.
Oh, okay. Well, do you know where they hang out?
Oh iya, ding.
Hell yeah! You know the guy who wrote Baby Shark killed his wife in 1998? Oh, this song is horseshit. Play it again, though.
We got coordinates on Leo.
And let's go shoot that white scene. Okay, but I think we should bring Boosty. No Boosty!
Keanu's on the move. Go break up with your mom. How do I look? Vaguely Asian, but not in the way that threatens little Nick. Perfect. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Now that's awesome. Whoa. Okay, I've got it. You just left. Then why are you ringing your own doorbell? Oh, because I need to be
Kamu kentut ya?
breaking up with you. What? But we just made passionate love, and I have a... Ah! Look, boy, you need to leave because I'm actually a 400...
Kamu kentut ya?
and I want to suck your blood.
Beneran?
I understand.
Enggak kok, aku gak kentut.
This sexy role play. Suck me dry, you immortal fuck demon.
Kang kentut.
Stop it! Ah! Wait, Mom? Reagan, I should have known. You've been judging me this entire time. Again. No, this is different. Keanu is some kind of science vampire. I can prove it. How could you do this? I finally...
Kamu udah makan kan?
Yeah, a
Belum.
keeper. You're just like your...
Belum.
Soalnya Kala sama Andra ada janji.
Well, to make sure I'm not that big. Now, just go. And do not show your face at tonight's premiere.
Mereka masih lama tadi mau tetap di kampus. Aku pengen pulang, udah capek.
Aku ada ayam geprek. Tapi pasti kamu bosan, ya kan?
Enggak kok.
Mau ayam geprekku?
Enggak usah sih. Nanti aku pandai makan di luar. Mau ikut?
Enggak hujan.
Udah nggak hujan.
Hujan.
Hujannya tuh tadi.
Hujan. Hujan. Hujan.
And done. Wow, I hate it. I want to cyberbully myself. Do you really think this will work? Oh yeah, in Hollywood, being a rumpled woman over 30 is basically an invisibility book.
Malas keluar kamar, it's my passion, guys.
I can't really focus. Does this look like anything to you? Just an empty red carpet. Weird.
Damn, I could get used to being unremarkable. Yeah, I'm so lucky.
I need a private moment to unflex my abs. Be right back, Coco.
Keanu's headed towards the restroom. Keep watch. I'm going after Keanu. Oh, Gigi never gets to kill anybody.
Birthday
Get you at a bad time.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 우리 비켄. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 우리 켄하. 생일 축하합니다.
Emangnya Kenha ulta?
Apa sih? Cuma pengen nyanyi nggak boleh. Tuh aku apa-apa dilarang.
Oh nggak larang, aku cuma nanya Kenha ulta po.
Cuma pengen nyanyi.
Holy follow-up question. Would you consider yourself a genius? No. But yes. Keanu, Reagan? Shit, I told her not to come. Hey, Rain, this just seems expensive.
The desert is so wasteful.
Have some.
사랑하는 우리 키키. David Cuka Hamnida tuh, dia tuh nggak tahu padahal aku nyanyiin lagu itu.
Time to eat your steak.
Why don't you did your homework?
I fucking love homework. And my mom.
I love her too, Reagan.
Reagan, what are you doing?
It's all right, Tomiko. She's just protecting you. Everything Reagan said is true. For hundreds of years, I've been a blood-sucking mortal. Until now.
You're not even trying to suck out my mom's blood.
But not about loving Tomiko. I'm done with immortality. I finally found the woman I want to grow old with.
Oh, you knew.
We've heard enough!
Jangan lupa tonton video aku yang barusan aku upload guys. Buruan di komen, di like, juga boleh di repost.
We stumbled right into their lair.
Buruan di like yang vegan pundung yang aku buatin dia, yang aku harus masak itu.
See you getting older. Well, we get suspicious about the rest of us. Except Tom Cruise. Yeah, that guy's fucking bulletproof. You guys are so bogus. Tomiko is a national treasure. Good thing I know how to steal those.
Before we kill Keanu, one last ceremonial bloodletting with his 40-something girlfriend.
Makasih Kak Penyu.
Leonardo decapitated.
Nggak bisa bahasa Jepang.
Hands off my wife!
Oh, but he's in my own crew. It's some hideous baby man.
Dad? He's turned himself into a literal man-child. Way to turn subtext to text, Red. My therapist would love this.
I did it to impress you, to show you that I was younger, hotter, and had more Oscars than Keanu.
Thank you.
We've evolved, Leo. You can't bully us.
Sini, om join.
Andre, downsies! Mike, grab the camera! Alright, I'm kicking your ass!
Guys, sudah 1 jam lebih. Nggak mau cukur. Bagus. Tinggal diginiin dah. Bye-bye.
Finally stabbing my father.
Arigato konbanwa. Bye-bye minasang.
This baby, you just mainlined enough
Dadah.
to age you 1,000 years.
My blood type is... Oh, shit!
What?
Drink up, pretty boy!
Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Apa sih itu artinya? Hah? Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Aku nggak bisa baca. Kok malah aku pin? Aku mau translate. Goodbye sis hub. Thank you. Bye bye. Guys. Bye bye. Bye.
Guess I better start dressing my age.
You and me both, brother.
Can't believe the whole A-list is gone. I'm proud that the last thing Leo saw was his posse. A mature, decent.
Bye bye.
We have a new leader.
Kok tiba-tiba bye-bye?
My name's actually Brett. I already have
Kok tiba-tiba bye-bye?
deep state. Awesome.
Dadah.
This whole time you were
Bye-bye, bye, cute. Itu yang baik pasti aku.
listen, bros. Please, Brett, don't forget us. Call me Blaze.
Hey,
Halo Kinham. Lebih imutan si Hafiz. Oh, berarti aku juga imut.
No, I'm sorry. Seeing my only daughter risk her life like that, I realized you
Kinham.
supporting me this whole time. Trying to protect me. It's not that I don't want you to be happy.
Kinham.
You have horrible taste in men. Dad, Buzz Aldrin, actual monsters.
Mm.
I get it now.
Mm.
You murdered every living man in Hollywood because you love
Imu.
Wait, did you break up with Keanu because he was a vampire, or because you discovered he's way older than you thought?
Geli. Geli. Kenanya geli. Kegelitik. Dah. Apa ini? Apa kok begini? Bye bye guys, love you. Wah.